Hello dear children, today we are going to do object drawing. We are going to color these objects in a different way. So let's start the activity. In this picture we are going to draw 4 dustbin and we are going to color it in a different way. First I am drawing center line, okay, which is very important. Then I am taking 2 finger distance from here, 2 from here, and I am drawing one oval. In between this oval, 1 finger distance will be there. So 2 finger from this side, 2 from this side, 1 finger this. Then approximately half centimeter distance I am taking and I am drawing one parallel line to this line. Then I am drawing one more oval inside. Then half centimeter I am going to leave from this side, half centimeter I am going to leave from this side. Then 4 to 5 finger distance from here I am to draw one line here. Then I am taking 2 finger from this side, 2 from this side. Here when I am taking 2 finger I am leaving some distance, okay, and then this and this I am going to join, and here I am to join. So our one dustbin is ready. Like this I am going to draw 4 dustbin, okay. Then how to do the parts? In this downside 2 dustbin I am going to make 4 equal parts. In this dustbin it is our center line. I have drawn 1 2 3 4 dots on equal level, and down 1 2 3 4 dots on equal level on left side as well as on the right side. Then I am going to join this. So we are going to get some parts in this dustbin. So we can color it as a gradation. Now children, first we are going to do this downside dustbin. For that we are using different shades of blue. So we need white, then light blue, then medium blue, and then dark blue. So I am taking all 3 colors in my palette. So you can take plate or palette, anything whatever you are having at home, and then we are going to start coloring with the help of dot dot and stippling. First I am making it little bit wet and then I am starting from here. We all know first we are using the white color. So first I am giving here white color with the help of earbud. Like this children. Highlight always it is in a small portion. So this much highlight I am giving. From up also highlight will be there. So I am giving here also. Then I am mixing this blue color. Okay. I am mixing this blue color in a white color, and then I am giving over here. Okay. After this much children, I am giving this blue color. It is a light blue color. Okay. Same children, I forgot. First you have to do from upside also. So we no need to make the colors again and again. Okay. Now it is a medium color. I am adding little water in it. So mix these 2 colors first. So we will get a medium tone. And we are giving with the help of this reflective light. Always reflective light in a line. Okay. It is not more. And this is a darkest tone. So I am using Persian blue here. Now children, see this, our shading is ready, but the what we missed the little bit dark tone. When it is wet, that time only we can do the give this effect like this shadow. Little bit final effect we are going to give with the brush. Nearest tone we can use to give the final effect. Now I am taking this black color, children, to show the shadow. For that, this is a rounded object, cylindrical. So shadow we can see from the outside in a round way. So shadow we can see this side in a round way. So I am taking this white, because at the end the shadow will be white, and then merge it. Now we are going to start this object. It is a gradation. So I am taking this Indian red and crimson red. Both are the red shade. If you are not having two red shades, you can use orange and red also. And white is compulsory, because with the help of white we are showing the highlight. So first 1, 2, 3. In a third portion I am giving this white color in a third portion. Okay, so same from up also in third portion, 1, 2, 3. In a third portion I am giving white color. In this panel where I have given this white little bit ahead, so in a 1, 2, 3, fourth portion I am giving this white color. So after completing this much, children, what we are going to do? We are adding the lighter shade. See, this is a lighter shade and it is a darkest shade. So this lighter shade I am taking little bit, I am adding over here. So I am getting a light tone of a red. Okay, and same I am giving here, 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 and here. Okay, chalo, I am doing this. Now children, I am adding more light red color, means it is a Indian red color. Okay, in this light color, so we are getting a different shade. See, you can see the different shade. Yes, so now I am giving this shade in this portion here, near to pink, here, here, and completing this much, children. Now I am adding more this red in it. Okay, and I am making one darker shade. Okay, and that shade I am giving here, then here, here, here. Okay, so this much I will complete. After completing this much, I have added more Indian red in it, and this darkest, little bit darker tone I am giving here, here, and here. Now the same color I am using here as a reflective light, because reflective light is always as an object color. So our object is in this color, so this is a reflective light. So in a last portion, always we are giving this one color. Okay, so I am filling this color over here. In this Indian red color, I am adding little crimson red. So we will get little darker shade of that Indian red color. So here I am giving that Indian red plus crimson red shade here and here, and after completing this much I will give this crimson red only in this remaining portion. After completing this much, children, here up portion I am drawing single little very light line with this object color. I am taking same object color which we have used for the reflective light. Okay, and then we will use only water brush. Nothing is there, nothing color in my brush, and only I am using this brush to merge the color, because this is a proportion. Always white color is there, but sometimes little bit color we can see upside. Now here with the help of gradation we are giving the color. For that first I am using the black color. If you want you can draw with the help of pencil also, then you can color. Now I am adding gray in it. Then again I will add little white, so we will get the light gray color. Again I will add little more white in it, so we will get a lightest gray color. Okay, and at the end I am using pure white here and I am giving here. So see, our shadow is also looking very nice. See children, I have used this red shades and blue shades here. You can use green, violet, pink, yellow, black or any other color also. Same we are going to complete here with the help of gradation, and same we are going to complete here with the help of earbud stippling. So enjoy this activity.